Mondonedo there. Good setting. Talagang dinukot galing sa ilalim. And that was a conversion. Talked about how she had 21 points in her first game in this conference. And Thea Gagate, that is what Zeus needs to really exploit.
Yeah, na ma-activate si Thea dahil hindi ganun ka-consistent yung first ball nila na dumadating kay Chloan.
Ebon will go up. Smart play. Gagate picked it up.
Oh! That was Gagate again with that kill block.
And the block of the set. Brought to you dito. Tatlo yung pinakamalaking lamang no, na nakita natin. Gagate. Picked up by Ebon.
Soft spike. Oh, good defense.
Yes. And look at Thea Gagate all alone in the middle. That's 3 for Thea.
Problema dahil ang ganda ng defense nila, but pag nabablock ng opponent nila or sila mismo yung nakaka-touch, wala silang ganun katibay na coverage.
In Lasal.
Yung mga seniors
Yung mga
namin
ate mo
noon,
noon, oo.
mga super ates namin noon, sila Maureen Penetrante, Des Hernandez.
Oh my gosh, ito yung mga Gagate. Yan, one of the younger players here. #1 draft. She also had the time as the ate in DLSU.
Right. And I think that was her...
Talagang kondisyon na kondisyon pa rin. And Kiara Permentilla covering her own attack. Gagate. Gandang dukot ni Almonte. Good try for next line, but that is going to be Gagate's 6th point. It's been tough serves coming from Maraguinot. That one close to the net. Habol ang next lead. No go. And Zeus will get the ball back after that. Back row attack at push. Gamit onto Ebon this time. And the quick conversion. Pag mabilis yung transition na ganyan, nakakalamang ang...
Dapat si Chloan, matataas din yung sets na binibigay sa kanya. Hindi naaabot ng blockers.
Laki na ng lamang ng Zeus kanina. We saw a 6-point lead by Zeus Coffee. Good rebound. Rally going.
Yeah.
And Gagate puts an end to it.
So this is a strong front line for Zeus Coffee. So Chloan has a lot of options.
First ball. Another chance here. Next set will regroup. Nabantayan si Permentilla. One more time for Kiara. Good pick up there by Angeles. Troncosa from the back. Another rally brewing. Oh, look at Gagate. Just the presence of mind for Thea, and that gets her to...
For De Los Reyes, yung mga quick attack na diretso sa block. Dahil Thea Gagate is in the middle.
For the first time, so we're seeing the entirety practically no, of the next lead bench. Uy! Conference. So the health of these players is of prime importance. So we want 2 millions right now at this point to what they look like in the first set. It's really just the intensity that has waned.
Yeah.
Kasi nagpapalitan din. Iniikot din naman yung Coach Ettore yung mga players.
Oo, nag-iiba rin siya ng mga setters. Talk about code block.
Luna is blocked. Good cover by her.
Oh,
Thea Gagate, feeling it. Ganado rin si Thea.
mablock niya yung mga cross-court hits or bantay sarado niya yung cross-court na yan. Kaya as much as... Gail Pascual for Zeus Thunderbells.
Makaslang, picked up. Good libero action. And that quick play, Thea Gagate.
Ganda ng connection nila ni Chloan. Thea and...